Are you a business professional keen on leveraging data in your decision-making journey? Are you intent on mastering the art of visualizing intricate data, crafting compelling narratives? Or perhaps you're a data enthusiast, eager to expand your skill set with a leading business intelligence tool. Welcome to the Microsoft Power BI training. In this in-depth training, you'll learn to convert raw data into valuable insights, decode data exploration with responsive dashboards, and master the nuanced art of data storytelling. This comprehensive training covers everything from the fundamentals of business intelligence, effective data transformation techniques, to gaining a solid understanding of data modeling. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.